Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about rank function. Rank function, it returns the ranking for the current context within the specified partition sorted by the specified order. If a match cannot be found, then the rank is blank. Rank returns the rank number for the current context. Okay, let us see the documentation to understand the parameters. The ties parameter, it defines how to handle the ranking when two or more rows are tied. If they have similar values, whether we should choose dense value or whether we could skip. Relation, it is a table expression for which the output row is returned. It defaults to all selected function. Order by clause, it helps in sorting it whether in descending or ascending order. Blanks, we can choose whether to keep the blanks or this parameter is reserved for future use. Partition by clause helps in making the partition and help us evaluate. If it is omitted, the relation is treated as single partition. The rank number could be evaluated by let us see an example. Here I'll create a new measure. Here I'll write rank equal to, I'll use the rank function. In the ties, I'll use dense for now. Okay, in the relation, I'll use all selected. Okay, here I'll use all selected. I have country column and also the brand column. Okay, and I'll put a comma. Here we have order by clause. I'll write the order by clause. I'll order by total sales in the descending order. I'll close the parenthesis. I'll put a comma. I'll keep the blanks. Okay, I'll close the bracket of rank function. Here the first parameter is dense. Second parameter is the relation where I have selected country and brand. Third parameter is the order by clause where I have ordered by in the descending order the total sales measure. Total sales measure is the sum of sales and I have kept the blanks. Okay, now I am running the measure. Okay, I'll show you by using it in the table. Here I have selected the table and I'll select rank. Here you could see that my top sales, I have sorted the total sales in descending order. Here you could see that my top sales has the rank 1 and the bottom sales, you could see the least sales, it has the rank of 140. Okay, this is how we could rank based on the total sales. Suppose that I want to partition by country. Okay, for one particular country and for the particular brand, if I want to see the rank, what I could do is in the same rank function, in the fourth parameter after keep, I can use this partition by clause. In the partition by, I'll mention the country column. Okay, sales country, I'll close the parenthesis and hit enter. Okay, as soon as I do that in the same measure, you could notice the change. Here you could, as I start with respect to country. Okay, I have this country slicer. I'll select Argentina. Similarly, as you have noticed in the row number function video, okay, here I have sorted on the basis of country. I have partitioned on the basis of country and you could see the rank. Okay, here I have Argentina LG brand has the top sales or maximum sales. Similarly, if I choose Canada, here you could see that Canada LG has top sales. If I choose Brazil, Apple brand has the top sales. You could see the rank 1 with maximum sales. This is how you could use the rank function in order to either make the row number, or else you could partition by a particular column. This is all for now. Thank you for watching and we shall meet in the next video.